Today, I officially mark my 3rd anniversary as a Women Techmakers Ambassador for Women Techmakers Mbarara. And to back this chapter, I decided to celebrate by unboxing my most recent package from the Global Women Techmakers team. Hi, my name is Sumayya Namukog, an IT professional, a tech community lead, and I've been a Women Techmakers Ambassador from December 12, 2022 till date. And looking back, I remember the day I actually received an acceptance email welcoming me into the program. I was very, very excited to have the first Women Techmakers community right here in Western Uganda. So this was not just, about having a Women Techmakers community, because there was nothing like a tech community for women in Western Uganda. And now having brought one, I felt like this was, a dream come true, because there are some of the challenges that I actually faced and realized that if I had a community of women in tech, then I wouldn't have, faced some of these challenges. Since the day that, I got into the program, the community has been able to, do a lot of impactful things, working alongside several Google developer groups. We've empowered hundreds of women, from mentorship to technical skills to providing them with, resources. So it's been more about building a bridge and helping every other person so that they can navigate their path in tech. Women Techmakers program has been in existence since 2012, and it has built a global community across over, I think, 200 countries. And like every journey has different phases. So we recently received news that the Women Techmakers program is scaling, and as it's scaling, its mission and resources have moved to a trusted partner, which is Technovation. Technovation is an organization, I believe most of us have heard about it or have been part of its programs, and it's been empowering girls and women in STEM for a couple of years now. So they are ready to carry on the shared mission that Women Techmakers has been having, and they will continue to provide essential tech skills and upskilling opportunities. And this means that yes, Women Techmakers programs will still go on, but right now under Technovation. I believe that this is one of the final pieces that I'm getting from the Global Women Techmakers team, because right after this package, Women Techmakers now rebranded to Technovation. So I believe that if I'm to receive more packages, then they will have Technovation, not like just like the t-shirt I'm wearing just has Women Techmakers on it. So let's unbox and see what is actually in there. So now that we know what was in the package, what does this transition mean? So this means that to continue accessing all the resources that you've been getting, the mentorship, the opportunities, then you'll have to sign up directly with the new host organization, which is Technovation. So I've put the link right here in the description. Be sure to, tap the link and register. Be part of that Technovation newsletter so that you do not miss out on any of the updates and their continued opportunities that they will have to share with you. And of course, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to the Global Women Techmakers team, of course, for giving me an opportunity to serve as a Women Techmakers Ambassador for 3 years now, which I believe is continuing with Technovation. And then for also giving me an opportunity to build a community that supports women in Western Uganda. And I believe that this will continue with Technovation. And of course, thank you to Women Techmakers Mbarara. You're the reason this whole journey has definitely been worth it. And of course, we are moving from a great legacy to an exciting future together. And the work continues just under a new and powerful banner. Let's keep learning and learning, relearning and building and supporting each other as women in technology. Being part of any Women Techmakers community, any Women Techmakers event, workshop, training or anything, please let me know in the comment section. How have you found it? How has the journey been for you? And what have you enjoyed about Women Techmakers? And if you've been part of Technovation too, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.